Lesson 4. E. Sridharan, the Metro Man of India. Delhi is one of the most densely populated cities in the world. It has a population of about 14 million. The population density of Delhi is about 9,500 person per square kilometer. Earlier, most people were entirely dependent on buses as a mode of transport. But due to the inadequacy of bus services and overcrowded buses, Delhi's commuters had to face problems. To reduce the problems of Delhi's commuters, the Delhi Metro Rail Corporation, DMRC, launched the Delhi Metro. Delhi Metro Rail has proved to be a boon for Delhiites. It is probably the best metro system in the world. Do you know in which city the metro railway was first launched in India? Kolkata Metro was the first underground metro railway in India. It was started in 1984. Metro Rail in Delhi started in 2002. It is the second rapid transit system in India. The best and the latest technology of the world has made it possible. It has reached Noida, Gurugram, and DMRC is going to take metro to the entire NCR of Delhi including Faridabad and Ghaziabad. It is the safest and the quickest mode of transport for Delhiites. The credit for giving Delhiites this ultra-modern mode of mass rapid transport goes to Mr. Elattuvalapil Sridharan, the managing director of the DMRC. Mr. Elattuvalapil Sridharan is popularly known as the Metro Man. He was born on 12 July 1932 in Palakkad district in Kerala. He studied at Victoria College in Palghat. He graduated as a civil engineer from the Government Engineering College. Before joining the Indian Railways, he worked as a lecturer in civil engineering at the Kerala Polytechnic in Kozhikode and as an apprentice at the Bombay Port Trust. His first assignment was in the Southern Railway as a probationary assistant engineer in December 1954. He emerged in 1963 when a huge tidal wave washed away parts of Pamban Bridge which connected Rameshwaram to mainland of Tamil Nadu. The railways set a target of 6 months for the bridge to be repaired, but the bridge was restored in just 46 days by E. Sridharan. He was given the Railway Minister's Award in recognition of this achievement. He was put in charge of Kolkata Metro Rail project in 1970 as a deputy chief engineer. He retired from Indian Railways in 1990. Even after his retirement, the government needed his services. So, he was appointed as the CMD of Konkan Railway project on contract 1990. The project had 93 tunnels along a length of 82 kilometers and more than 150 bridges. The total project covered a remarkable distance of 760 kilometers. In recognition of his distinguished abilities, he was made the managing director of DMRC in 1997. This project was extraordinarily complex, but most of the scheduled sections of the Delhi Metro project have been completed before time under the supervision and control of Mr. E. Sridharan. Mr. E. Sridharan has been honored with many national and international awards. He was awarded the Padma Shri by the Government of India in 2001. He was named the Man of the Year by the Times of India in 2002. He was conferred the Chevalier de la Légion d'Honneur, Knight of the Legion of Honor, by the Government of France in 2005. Mr. E. Sridharan was given the sobriquet of Metro Man by the media. He is really the pride of India.